Hi, today we're going to look at how to export your course from Angel. Now, exporting your course from Angel is pretty important at the end of the semester. It's just a way for you to have a backup. Some people do it in the middle of the semester in case something goes wrong, but definitely at the end of the semester you should be backing up your class. The other reason you need to be exporting your class is when we move to Blackboard, you will need to export your class to then be able to import it into Blackboard. So how do you do that? We're going to take a look at that today. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the course you want to export. So I'm just going to choose this one. And then we go to Manage. And then Export Console. And then we're brought to this screen. And then here are all the exports I've made. So actually I can download any of these if I wanted to, but I'm going to download a brand new version of this. And what you want to do is you want to export it for Blackboard migration in the Angel format. I would also recommend just sort of backing it up and downloading it in Common Cartridge and Common Cartridge 1.2. But for the migration to Blackboard, you will be using the Angel format. It's very important. The Angel format for Blackboard migration. So let's go ahead and click on Angel format. Now here's the export summary. Leave this as the default. It's going to grab everything. Hit next. And now you're brought to this screen. It shows that the export is queued. You don't have to stay here. You can go back to that screen we were just on. And this could take anywhere from a few minutes to 5 minutes. It all depends how much you have in the class. So I'm just going to click on go back to the screen here. And as you can see, something is queued right there. It is an Angel type. It's by me, but it's in the queue. Now you could, if you're impatient, you can click refresh and see if it pops up, but it could be a few minutes. Okay, and now through the miracle of modern television, the backup is complete. It is listed right here. 4/2 at 2:26 p.m. You got the COM 316, section 11, the 2014. It's all right there. It's the name of the course. Now how do we download this to our computer? It's really simple. All you do is you click on the name. And now what's happening is I use Chrome. I've got it set to download. It downloads it right to the download folder. That's where you probably want to look. Most computers these days browsers will either ask you where you want to download it, or they'll download it directly to say a download folder, or maybe you've set it to download on your desktop so you can find it. Either way, I would check your download folder first. If you can't find it, you could copy this file name and then search for it. And then when you search for it, it'll pop up. You can always move it from there. And I would recommend that. I would take it out of wherever it is, probably the downloads folder, make a folder, whatever the year, the semester, and put it in there. And then also, if you've got a USB drive, a little stick drive, copy it to that so you've got a backup someplace else. This way you've always got the course. So that was it. We went to the course. We went to Management, Console, Export Console. We exported it and then we downloaded it. It's all ready to be brought into Blackboard or just to have for a backup.